Namaskar to all of you, my dear students, and welcome to you on 26th day online class for grade 8 of English. On 25th day, I made it clear about the three rules in use of the. School, college, hospitals, temples, mosque, church. For primary purpose, no use of the. If secondary, I miss any other purpose, then the should be used. So in the second one, I made it clear that any nouns that is used more than once in the same piece of writing, then that should be used. In third one, you know that with the superlative degree and the comparative degree when twice used in the same piece of writing, then you need to insert the. And now rule number 4. In rule number 4, you may write the is used with the name of airship or ship. The is used with the name of airship or ship. For example, you can see here the Mary Celeste, the Digressia, the Titanic. These are the ships name. Whereas airship means you might have getting in confusion. That means airlines. For examples, aeroplanes, airlines. For examples, the mountain air, the Saudi airline, the cosmic air. So the first three, the Mary Celeste, the Digressia, the Titanic, ship's name, whereas the mountain air, the Saudi airline or the cosmic air or the Buddha air, these are the airship. So whenever you find such noun, then you can use the. Likewise, rule number 5. In rule number 5, I will make you clear about the famous religious historical places. Number 5. The should be used with the name of famous and it should be used with the name of famous religious and historical place. Historical, thus should be used with the name of famous religious books. Famous religious books and historical places. For example, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Tripitaka. Similarly, in places the Muktinath, the Lumbini, the Pasupatinath, etc. So thus should be used with the name of famous religious books and historical places. For example, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Tripitaka, the Muktinath, the Lumbini, the Pashupatinath. And here, as the matter came here, related. Similarly, you may say the Mahabharata, also one of the famous religious books of, you can say that the Hindu people. And here I would like to impart one of the message also, that as the matter came with the religious books, that once that's the teacher, and you can say the preacher of that's Pandavas and the Kauravas, whose name was in fact his name was Dronacharya. That he called all his, you can say, the disciples, and then he tethered a bird in a stream with a tree, and then he made all his students to stand in a queue, and then one by one he was asking with them that, in fact, what you are watching. Then the reply was, some of them told that he is watching that there is a big bird, someone a big tree, someone, you can say that the field, etc. I mean, so many answers, that Dronacharya got from his disciples. Finally, when the Arjun turns came, then he was asked. Then his answer was, that he told frankly to his teacher, Dronacharya, that in fact he was watching the bird's eyes. His teacher, Dronacharya, got very upset and aggressive for me, asked him that, how dare you to say like this? There is a big bird, big tree, there is a string, so many things are there to be watched, but so minorly, how he became able to see the bird's eyes? Then Arjun replied that, in fact, his target was the eye, not the bird, not the tree, not the string, not the field. So Dronacharya was very much impressed with his answer, and finally he declared him the best students. So I mean to say, what message I would like to impart into you, that anywhere, anytime, any place, wherever you are staying, whatever you are doing, no matter, but please always keep your eyes to your target. Your resolutions, your determinations, everything should revolve around your target, not go away from that one. So here, again, rule number 5, that thus should be used with the name of famous religious books and the historical places. So the examples are the Ramayana, the Gita, the Tripitaka, the Muktinath, the Lumbini, the Pashupatinath. So some of them are religious books on the historical places. So now the rule number 6, one related with the use of the. Here now I will tell you in very short. Similarly, number 6, name of direction and poles. For example, the north, the south. Similarly, the North Pole, the South Pole. Similarly, the East, the East-West, North-South. So in such cases also you can use the name of the direction and the poles. For the both, you need to insert the use of the. You can use, for example, the north, the south, north pole, the south pole, the east, west, the north, south, etc. Similarly, in rule number 7, with the name of, thus should be used with the name of should be used with the name of political party, name of political party, and designation. Name of political party, there are, that's in the context of Nepal, there is, even if I say it may be the only one that's so many political parties, in which you might have learned it from your in your social studies. That's also the definitions of the democracy. That's democracy is a form of government which is made by the people, for the people, of the people, but defined by Abraham Lincoln. But now its definition is little bit different. Yeah, it is true that democracy is a form of government which is made by the people. But now present and past definition is, in the past by the people means by the people, but at present BUY by the people, for the people, FOR for the people in past, but now at present FAR for the people. Similarly, in the past it was said that of the people means way of the people, but at present OFF I mean drop the people. So this is the new definitions of democracy at present. We can watch here. So here name of the political party means, for example, the Maoist, the Nepali Congress. Similarly, the Forum, the Labour, Party, APC. So these are the examples of political party. Similarly, name of designation means accountant, the principal, the manager, etc. So whenever you find the name of political party, you can insert or you can use the similarly with the designations also, accountant, principals, manager, secretary, mayor, etc. You can write with such designation. So on 26th day, so including 25th and 6th, I made it clear about the 6 rules, and now in conclusion, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, whatever I made it from my side to make you clear within 4 days. Here I am going to write some questions that you may take as a homework or you may take it as a further practice. Totally I will give you 6, 7 or 8 questions that you may practice yourself, and after that left rules related with the use of the will be continued on 27th day. So some questions that I am going to write here, please you take it very seriously and try your best to solve. So whatever the questions I am going to write here, the questions are practical questions, so practically you try to solve. Apply the correct article A and the nothing. Apply the correct article in the following sentences. Question number 1. She is the honest. The number we need the oxygen for breathing. Third one is he saw the unicorn. Fourth one is we need the water for drinking. Number next, nobody has invited boys in the party. Number 6, dot 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 water from bottle is dirty. Number next, dot 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 lady whose husband is blind is very proud. So totally you have 7 questions. First one is C is dash honest. Second one is we need dash oxygen for breathing. Third one is D dash unicorn. Fourth one is we need dash water for drinking. Fifth one is nobody has invited dash boys in the party. That number 6 one is that water from that bottle is dirty. Finally, the question number 7 is dash lady whose husband is blind is very proud. So totally related with the articles, and here article means, as I have said here, that's proper. It means correct article means A and the, or you may write nothing also. So these are the 7 questions for you for the further practice, and these questions are deeply related with those rules that I made you clear on 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, and the rest will be continued on the 27th day. Thank you very much for joining the class.